Hey, my favorite show's on.
Strange. Okay. What the heck? Who are you? Leave me alone.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
What grinds my gears is students who litter, that like will just let their trash fall on the floor or not pick it up or not like make the effort to go and throw it away, like dirtying our campus and like just being really gross. Like just pick it up, or if you walk by trash, pick it up. It's not that hard.
To be perfectly honest, when I go buy a burrito and they end up putting rice and beans in my burrito, don't fill it with stuff that I don't want. Give me more meat. I want more meat. That's what grinds my gears.
Hi, I'm Mr. Ruttenberg, one of the assistant principals here at Trevor Browne. What grinds my gears is when I talk to a student and they completely ignore me. Whether I'm asking for an ID or they're just walking by and I say hello and just completely ignore me like I'm not even there. That grinds my gears.
Find the spot, keep the prize.
No way. What? No. No.
In today's video, we're gonna do a try not to laugh
Challenge.
Gen Z edition.
Kino, actually, I don't know.
Crumbs. Brr, brr, Hada Pim. Ballerina Cappuccina. Period. Drip. Sus. It's giving. No cap. Riz and bus. And then cappuccino, assassino, and then de Lulu.
Bussin'. Riz. No cap. It's given. Sus. Mid. Drip. Ain't left no crumbs.
No cap is giving. Sus. Mid. Drip.
Busa.
vocab, it's giving, sus, mid, drip, ate and left no crumbs. Deluli, cappuccino assassino, potapim, I don't know. Ballerina cappuccino,
You have to have something on.
period, period, clock it.
Ready? Bussin'. He is so bussin'. Gotcha. Really? On one? You got. She's so riz. No cap. It's given. Sus. What is sus? Like, and then mid. Okay. What a trip. Are you still with me? All right. They ate and left no crumbs, man. You're all Delulu. Just say it.
Buzzin'. Riz. No cap. It's given. Poor child. Sus. Mid. Drip. Ate and left no crumbs. Lulu. Cappuccino assassino. Rub.
today we're here with
Salvador.
what do you play?
I play football.
What position?
I'm a DB.
So, football is so easy. Why can't you guys score a goal? Okay, so what I'm getting from why don't you guys get goals though? I mean, yeah, points.
Touchdowns.
Isaac.
What do you play?
Football.
What position?
Offensive tackle.
Wow, so how does it feel to be tackling soccer players?
Tackling what? Soccer players?
Yeah.
Do you have a celly for when you don't receive the ball?
Yeah.
Can we see it?
No, I don't know something like that.
Just do one.
Trying to flex.
Oh yeah, like the muscles?
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm Diana and today we're going to be showing you why you should speak properly. I'm here with
Eduardo.
And your question is, what is your typical type of food that you would get at Asian and why?
A typical what? So fast.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. What is your typical type of food you would get at Asian and why?
Add in? Let me see. I don't know.
Okay. What is your typical type of food and that you would get at the and why?
The typical food I would get is probably like teriyaki chicken because that's my favorite.
Thank you. I'm here with
Andrea.
And today your question is, what's the typical type of food you would get at Asian and why?
At where?
Okay, I'll repeat. What's the typical type of food you would get at and why?
What?
Like, what's the typical type of food you would get at and why?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Who am I here with?
Daquan.
Alright. What type of store would you...
Huh?
What type of store do you...
What type of store? What?
Answer the question.
I don't know. I don't even know. Walmart.
Alright, who am I here with?
Coach Reese, Mr. Reese.
Alright. What type of store would you
Take it right. Take it right. Take it right.
Alright. What type of store would you
What type of store? What?
That was just a question, sir.
I'm a cheap person probably, so I go to the dollar store. I ain't really cheap, but.
Alright, who am I here with?
Shawnee.
Alright, Shawnee, here's the question. What do you normally buy at the and why?
I buy food. And yeah.
Alright, thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and
this is why we should always speak properly so we can understand each other.
Well, that's the end of our show. Later, Bruins.
BTV Production.